Well, I just saw, you know what, over the last couple of days, Scott, we've seen all kinds of different opportunities, and I think that you have to trade these markets as if we are going to get some sort of stimulus package. That's something that I think we are all counting on. I think we've seen some progress. We keep hearing the word language. If we can work on the language, well, eventually I think they're going to get that. So because of that, Scott, I think it does open up for opportunity, and I think there are names that can still have significant moves to the upside from where they are right now. And so that's part of the impetus of this. I've seen the unusual option activity. As a matter of fact, across the board, Scott, where we have seen some of the biggest plays within the unusual options that we've been seeing over the last, call it 3-4 trading sessions, has been in a lot of various technology names and some of the industrial names. And so because of that, that's given me a lot more comfort in the idea of what my gut is telling me is also I am seeing with others that are participating in the markets and putting out some of these huge buys in names like Boeing and Apple and Tesla and Nvidia. Now, obviously today, some pressure on, but I think in the longer term, over the next couple of weeks, when I say longer term, I think we will see that package soon. And because of that, I think the markets will react in a positive way.
Oh, they're reacting right now in a positive way, as you can see on your screen there. You've got definitely a move higher. I'm wondering, though, Pete, whether you think that this news today in any way will spur this move back into technology, including some of the names that got hit pretty well in September, right? The FANG stocks, for example, Pete, were all down, or most at least were down double digits, including everybody's favorite stock, Apple. So do we now have our eyes keenly focused yet again on tech, and that puts a bit of a lid once again on the so-called value trade?
Well, you know what? I've never, as you know, Scott, my big thing is I like to have what I call, stocks that you can look at these stocks and their quality. And so I'm looking for quality names, and obviously if they've got growth, well, a lot of quality names with growth are in that FANG world, and especially in the NASDAQ world. So that, I think, is part of the reason why we've seen that. But that doesn't mean it's exclusively just to those names. I think there are other names out there that still have plenty of upside. We look at the truckers, we look at the rails, we look at all kinds of different other areas of transportation and so forth. I'm not talking about the airlines, though. I'm talking about those others that are moving things around the country. And because of that, I think there are a lot of other opportunities, but certainly technology, yes. I am seeing paper that's telling me that technology is going to have a second wind soon.